Hi everybody, Brian Zuccaro. I'm the product manager for the 1916 collection at the Kitchen and Bath Show 2023. Today I'm going to introduce you to the 1916 collection freestanding tub drain. The takeaway from this is it's designed from a master plumber for ease of installation. First, you'll notice a compact design. So this drain is 4 inches tall by 4 inches wide, which is a common size that most people carry in their van for a hole saw. It includes everything that you need for an installation. It's got a tool-free test plug, it's got a protective cap, it's got grease, it's got brass tail pieces, and the most important thing is it's universal. It's got universal design. So this one is a PVC body, single piece, but we have it in ABS and cast iron. It's compatible both with 1.5-inch brass tail pieces, which we provide, or your standard Schedule 40 PVC or ABS.